We've been lucky for a lot of this season where most of the tropical systems, and there haven't been too many, haven't really impacted any of the islands or any land masses. But this may be the last one of the season, and it's probably the worst. So that's not good. All right, for us, we're still looking at a low swirling off to our east over in Nova Scotia and over PEI. It's throwing clouds back into our state, and occasionally some light showers or some sprinkles. You can see them working their way back to the west, and most of them have been north of Bangor, but there have been a few sprinkles and drops in the city throughout the night too. Temperatures are right around 40 just about everywhere except down in Sanford and Freiburg and Portsmouth, where it's a lot colder and there's probably some frost in those locations. There's the low, and there's a high to our north right now, giving us these chilly temperatures. This high, though, is actually going to protect us for the next several days. We've got a low forming off the Carolinas. This one goes south of us. The one behind it, however, won't, and that will move through late in the week with some rain, which may be enhanced by some of Melissa's moisture as it travels south of us out into the Atlantic late in the week. We'll have some sunshine across the south early on. Mostly cloudy skies elsewhere with some of those spotty showers, patchy frost for all. By the middle of the day, those sunny breaks are gone. It's mainly cloudy. There could be a shower or a sprinkle, but it's just a small chance for one. We'll have a cool breeze picking up, though, so it's going to be a brisk day and at times kind of a raw one, with lots of clouds dominating through the early evening and again some sprinkles. We'll eventually get some clearing, but that won't be until after dark. So there's not much sunshine in today's forecast. We're also going to have that breeze out of the north between 10 and 15 miles per hour, and our normal highs in the mid-50s. We're not getting there today. Just 50 for Bangor and Bar Harbor, same in Lewiston, and only 52 degrees for Portland. Tomorrow, that high is just to our north, and we will have more in the way of sunshine. Low pressure will be going south of that high, so we won't get any rain from that. Wednesday also looks pretty good, just remaining chilly. The next low comes out of the midsection of the country into the northeast Thursday afternoon, and this will be a pretty strong front with it, which means we will get some rain, and it's likely to be enhanced as Melissa goes by well to our south. I mean, obviously no wind from it or any problems from it, but some of that frontal energy will probably suck up some of that moisture. So we'll get into some heavy downpours Thursday night into Friday morning. Right now, I'm actually cautiously optimistic for trick-or-treaters on Friday night. Most of the rain should have ended by then. It will be breezy and blustery, but we get that often, late in October. Rainfall amounts, because of Melissa going by to the south, could actually get up over an inch, and in some places perhaps 2. This would again be Thursday night into Friday morning, so we'll watch that closely late in the week. Right now, winds are 150 miles per hour with Melissa just to the south of Jamaica. It's going to slowly start to move over the next 24 hours, go over the eastern half of Cuba and then the southern part of the Bahamas, and perhaps hitting Bermuda too on its way out into the Atlantic. Small crafts are up, seas 2 to 3, north winds 10 to 15. So there's the 7-day. Clouds and a shower possible today, only around 50. It does turn sunnier tomorrow and Wednesday. Thursday through Friday, though, we've got that chance for rain, and some of it will be on the heavy side. As I mentioned, I'm thinking right now most of trick-or-treating time will be dry, but no promises at this point because that front will be close.
Yeah, the timing obviously makes a huge difference
on what
about Friday, right?
Exactly.
So we'll keep an eye on it. Thank you, sir.